Yeah, hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's still your homeboy Mike Akawes on the microphone. There's something that I want to tell you today. I want to list my best president, or the whole best president in the whole world. I want to list them. But I know that I don't have much time, but I just want to tell you the number one. I'll go straight to the point to tell you the number one. You understand? The best president in the whole world. But for me to start, I have to let you know that I love the president of Burundi, and the other one is Somalia. I too love their president, uh, and Mozambique. I love their president very well. I also love their president. Central African Republic. I love their president, and Madagascar. I love their president, and I also love the president of North Korea. Yeah. So I don't want to go deep now. I don't want to go deep. So let me just tell you my number one president. My number one president is the president of Nigeria. And I know many of you are saying, why is the president of Nigeria the best president in the whole world? I will tell you why he is the best president in the whole world. Because one, like president of North Korea, it's not easy for a president to change the atmosphere. To change the atmosphere is not easy. You know why? North Korea, the man changed light from light to dark. You understand? It's not easy. It's not easy. That's why I give that man number two. But my number one is Nigeria president, which I said before. And people are saying, why is Nigeria president the number one? My favorite president. One, let me tell you, I not become millionaire before, but this man make me millionaire. Make I tell you the reason why. He get one small dollars where I get for account. If I calculate that dollar before, say $1,000, reach 1 million naira. But if you get $1,000 now for Nigeria now, you're a millionaire, you're a multi-millionaire, because it's heading to 2 million. You understand what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I tell you. Now that man now can't change like before, they are selling one bag of rice from 16,000 naira, because the person who left the seed behind, left it at the rate of 15 to 16,000 naira per bag of rice. But income change them to one bag of rice now for East 75,000 naira. For Lagos, one bag of rice is around that kind of 66,000, and we are in the Ogun State areas, they are selling it at the rate of 50 something, 57, 58,000 naira. My brother, what kind of change is that? My sister, what kind of change is that? He is the best president of the whole world. I love him, because without him, I won't become a millionaire. You understand? That is the reason why I'm praying for him to do what? To have that kind of long life. And I wish him well, you understand? For him to have that good health. I need him if we can be able to change the constitution, for him to stay like 12 years, it will have become better. Before that 12 years, I will have become multi-billionaire. You understand? That is the reason why he's the best president. He will change impossible. He will change possibility to become impossible. So any person who can do that is not an easy person. Yeah, it's not an easy person. He's a very nice and a very intellectual human being. So I don't want anybody to be criticizing my president. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is my favorite president. He's the best president in the whole universe. I love him so much. Don't dare me. Don't dare me. You will learn in a hard way. Don't dare to criticize that man. I love him. I love his government. So he's kind of very agile, very sensible man. You understand? A man who knows the heart of all the whole tribes. You understand? Whether he be Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, he knows how to manage the ethnicity, and make you people to understand and also realize who you are. You understand? Before we don't know who we are. You understand what I'm saying? But this man now have made us to know who we are. You understand? Before I don't know my name. Now this the man that have made me to know my name. You understand? You have made me to understand, the systematic process of Nigeria government. You understand what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I'm giving number one president of the whole universe. If you like, you believe me. If you don't like, you go away. You understand what I'm saying? You don't love finish now. Comment here. One love.